Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Tinsigama. Welcome back to another video. Now, you might notice I'm in Roblox Studios instead of Roblox. The reason for that is these videos I'll be doing now is a challenge video. Basically, I'll be taking up challenge that you all tell me. Like, for example, my niece recently asked me to try and build a hiding system for like a horror game. Now, she wanted me to build this game called actually, how do I explain this? Now, know that I didn't practice explaining this video, so everything is just from my mind. So basically, it's where you're in a school, the whole goal is to escape and something haunting you. So, in order to hide, you could either use like a locker or a bin or something like that. So she want me for my first challenge is to build a locker where I can hide in. Now it would have been easy, but she want me to make it where it's usable. Like there's a monster that roams around. Let's tries to get me, but the moment I enter that locker, you can't find me. Now there is a few things I will have to explain. I'll be using AI because I'm not good with scripting. I'm only allowed to take stuff from the creator store, and I will give credit to the person who I uses the item from. For example, wait, I can't see the toolbox on my. Wait, why can't I see the toolbox on my? Wait, does Roblox do this? Don't allow me to use. Huh? And I'm lagging. I think it's because I have a. I'm change the render distance because I need to change. I don't need that too high. Set this low. Yeah, but it's not showing him in the OBS for some reason. Okay, well that's not a big deal. Or at least it works smooth enough for me to use this. It's not laggy. Yeah, so basically I could use ChatGPT to help me script. And whenever I take something from the creator store, I have to, well, say the name of the person who uploaded that to give them credit. That is my rules. Because it's fair. It's only fair. I can't just take somebody's stuff and use it for content without giving them credit. So if anybody else have an idea or a challenge, tell me what to build and I'll try to build it in my next video, and I'll also give you a shout out. So shout out to my niece, Emma. I'm going to build what you wanted me to build. One thing I forgot to mention is that this is not guaranteed to work. I can't choose to give up whenever I want to, but whenever choose to give up, I have to give away a fruit or just trade with somebody who's looking for a fruit in block fruits, because block fruits is the only scheme I can actually do a giveaway in. So you can't even see my toolbox. I don't know why. But for now, let's just wait. Am I forgetting anything? Oh wait, yeah. For this to work, I'll have to change some settings here. Settings. I just gonna allow all this. Let's do that first. Good. Now I'm going to explain what's going on here. I'm looking for a locker model, but the one that I will be trying to use, I will give credit to that person. So I won't give credit unless I find the proper one. No, this is military. No, wait, no, that open. I need an actual locker. Wait, okay, these two are looking to see who posted it, who uploaded it, so I'll know who to take it from. Yeah, this. What? Oh, wait, this is very similar. Let me just take a single locker. Okay, let me see. Yeah. Okay, this one does seem to have a door, but is it? No. Let me delete this. Cone. Wait, that's for the handle. Door? Oh, that's smart. to add it in the middle. Okay, so is it even hollow enough? I'm gonna use a dummy rig to see how wide this locker is. Since I'm R6, R15, I mean. Okay, well, the person does not have to fit. The camera could just be teleported into here, which means I could just use a random camera or just change the location of the player's camera. I don't know how to do this one. Hold on. If I use hiding right, let me rename that. Set it transparent. No. I need to move it first, then change it. Lower size. Anchor cannot collide. Move this in the middle of the locker. That's not what I thought it was. Okay, is it middle? Nice. Now the reason why I have it kinda out is so I could see which part it there exactly. I need it to be right here, so the player could actually see outside. Problem is I don't know which side is block facing. I'm still learning how to make games. It's just testing. Okay, now I could change the transparency to 1. Get rid of this rig. Okay. Thing looks good. If I go to the camera and look at it, this looks decent. Wait, why is it? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Alright, how do I hinge? No, guys. I need a metal piece to. How do I how do I remove that metal piece? Oh, there we go. Good, now put the door back. Is it in place? No. Is it now? Nice. Wait, I need to make sure these also anchored. Can't collide. Oh wait, it's not anchored. All of these have to be anchored in order for this to work. You know where your hiding spot falling apart. Okay, so we have that. And now we're probably going to add, we'll use, we'll just add a proximity prompt to, which part do I add this? You know what, we'll just add another path to actually duplicate this one and just name it hide. Bring it down a little bit. No, a little bit up and then forward. Good. This will be where the player will use to activate the hiding system. Proximity prompt, let's change the action text. Hide. Good. So now when the player goes update, this prompt will show up. I'll show you after. Let's switch over to ChatGPT. Oh wait, let me hide. I don't need to. Alright. Now this is going to be annoying part. ChatGPT does make mistakes, so you have to explain everything. Not in full detail, but as much detail as possible. I am making a locker to hide in using a prompt located in the model. Good. Now while that's doing that, let's go back in here and add that extra part. So for this one, wait, why is this? Well, as a prompt. Let's delete this. Rename this exit. No. Oh my. This keyboard is damaged. I really need a better keyboard than this. There we go. And then I think I'll have to make another part. I forgot what's the name of the part. Creation named hiding. Right. So this part had to be named hiding. But to make sure it works, I'll put this in front of the locker so I can at least look through and see where my player character is. We set this transparency. Cannot collide. Anchor. Noise. Okay, so I've seen the setup. Oh, I didn't switch back OBS. Okay. Workspace, we have two. So the locker is the model. The hiding thing is a path. Enter the locker, player activates, character teleports into the... Yeah. So character made invisible, camera switches to hiding cam, prompt stays usable. Exit the locker, player activates the same prompt again. Character teleports, player to exit, character become visible, movement restored. Okay, so we have the script. I wouldn't need to show all of this. So let's switch back to Studios. Server script. Put this script in the locker model. Yes, boss. Copy paste. We have everything set. Oh, we need an event. Okay. We add that real quick. Okay, I think it is only one event we need. Thing looks good. No errors. So far. This is just a plugin error. We don't need to worry about that. I am lagging on ChatGPT a little bit because I'm recording. We need a local script for the camera switching. So local script. I'm not going to rename the local script because like I said, this is not for a full-on game. I could probably use this later on. Oh, it also gave me the proximity prompt options. Action text is already named hide. Object? Oh, I never wait, I've been making game for so long, I never knew there was this object text. Hold duration 0. Max activation is 3. No, sorry, 8. Don't know why I saw 3. Okay, let's test. If there's anything wrong with the script or anything misplaced or misspelled, I will get an error on the output underneath. Yeah, recording does lag Studios, which is very annoying. Alright. Okay. Why am I... Wait, it didn't teleport me. No? I could still move and everything. Wait, not working. Okay. There was no errors. Alright, so it added messages. Okay, it loaded, everything, lock camera script loaded. So the script is working. But now to test it, I need to use the prompt interact. No, that's a problem. It's saying interact. I never put it to interact. What? Okay, so that... Why is it not finding any prompt? Okay, so we do this. Oh, I think I'm going to try to find the prompt. Lock a high proximity prompt. Everything is set. Good. Oh. Huh? Wait. Oh. Hold up. Where am I? Am I? Oh. Where's my avatar? Oh, it's here. Okay, it works. Okay, saddest part is that I can't actually sit down, so I might switch, like change the position of that thing. But it works. Well, the problem is the prompt isn't being shown, so I'll probably have to like wait. I don't know where that sound coming from. I think my mic too close to my mouth. Alright. If I was speaking a little weird, it's because I'm tired, by the way. I've been trying to set up this recording for 3 days now because I keep getting errors with OBS. Alright. Okay, that works. Where's the hiding cam? I thought it was supposed to. Oh, it's not even centered. Okay, let me go to door, copy this location, go to hiding cam, and set that position. Now it's in the middle. I'll go down. Okay, a little bit. Okay, I'll just raise the height slightly, and then change the. I don't know which rotation is. Okay, no, that's the wrong one. How about this one? Nope. Okay, it's obviously all the ones that I didn't pick. I put 10. Wrong side. Good. So the reason why I put that at an angle so you could see through. Okay, it's not high enough. Instead of putting 5.9, I'll just put 6. Okay, that should be good. Let us try. No. I hope this works. Oh, nice. Still can't use the prompt. Oh, it's because I'm a stupid. It's because um my body is quite. Where do I put? Yeah, quite here while the prompt is over here. Maybe change it to just click an E instead of using a prompt to exit. If the player just clicks while hiding, it exits. Okay, yeah. So just instead of using an extra prompt, I could just delete this. New setup. Only need one prompt. You can delete the prompt inside hiding. Already did. New server script. Thank you. Exit event. If not hiding player, then will return. Good. So it will not do anything if not hiding. I hope it doesn't immediately exit the lockout when I try to. I might have to change the key code. That's fine. If that happens, then I'll just change the key code will work. Just need 2 different key codes, like E and something else. E could probably be for, no, E could be for use. Okay. Oh, oh, it works. Yes, yes. Interact. You're not supposed to see that, but okay. Nice, 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 nice. Now the annoying part will be. Oh wait, I didn't give credit to the person. My bad. Hold up. This model was uploaded by stream underscore turbo 051. No, not turbo, sorry, turb 051. So stream underscore turb 051. Okay, it works. I think that's all for the video then. Success. Made a working hiding system. I think that's it for this video, everybody. This is the first video of this type. I'm hoping. Other people has made AI videos of building an entire game, but I feel just making random systems is more fun. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to see me build something else, comment down below what it will be, and I'll pick from the comments. Bye.